friends, welcome to Time to Study. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம Time to Studyல என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா class 9 ஓட சயின்ஸ்ல பயாலஜில நம்ம why do we fall லெசன்ல தான் பார்க்க போறோம். இந்த லெசன்ல நம்ம சில question answers பார்க்கலாம். இது ரொம்பவே இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஆனது. Give two examples of each of the following. Acute disease. Acute disease கான example வந்து viral fever and flu. Chronic diseases elephantiasis, tuberculosis. Infectious disease smallpox, chickenpox. Non-infectious disease diabetes, goiter. Which bacterium causes peptic ulcers? Helicobacter pylori. Who discovered the above pathogen for the first time? Marshall Warren. What is an antibiotic? Give two examples. Antibiotic is a chemical substance that kills bacteria secreted by microorganisms which can kill the pathogens. Examples: penicillin and streptomycin. Fourth question, what is an epidemic disease? An epidemic is the rapid and extensive spread of disease that affects many individuals simultaneously in a particular area. It is generally an infectious disease. What is the difference between endemic, epidemic and pandemic diseases? Epidemic. It is an unexpected increase in the number of disease cases in a specific geographical area. Yellow fever, smallpox, measles and polio are prime examples. Endemic. It is a disease outbreak that is consistently present but limited to a particular region. This makes the disease spread and rates predictable. Malaria, for example, is considered an endemic in certain countries and regions. Pandemic. Outbreak of infectious disease that occurs over a wide geographical area that is high prevalence, generally affecting a significant proportion of the world's population, usually over the course of several months. Example: COVID-19. Fifth question, the signs and symptoms of a disease will depend on the tissue or organ which the microbe targets. Justify the statement with two examples. Every microorganism shows its effects on any particular tissue or organ after entering into the body. Thus, there is a change in the structure and function of that tissue or organ. For example, if the lungs are the targets, there will be jaundice. This is called organ-specific manifestation. Classify infectious agents into different categories and also mention the disease caused by them. The different categories of infectious agent along with the disease which they cause are: infectious agents, viruses, disease cause, common cold, influenza, mumps, poliomyelitis, rabies, smallpox, measles, yellow fever, AIDS, etc. in man, and tobacco, mosaic, etc. in plants. Rickettsia, typhus fever, trench fever. Bacteria: tuberculosis, cholera, tetanus, syphilis, pneumonia. Molds and fungi: ringworm, athlete's foot. Protozoa: malaria, sleeping sickness, etc. Worms: filaria, guinea worm, tapeworm, pinworm, etc. Mites: scabies. Why are antibiotics not effective for viral disease? Antibiotics generally block the biosynthetic pathways and they block these pathways of the microbes or bacteria. However, viruses have very few biochemical mechanisms of their own and hence are unaffected by antibiotics. Differentiate between communicable and non-communicable diseases. Give one example of each. Communicable disease. They are infectious diseases. They are transferred from an infected person to a healthy person. Non-communicable disease, they are not infectious. They are not transferred from an infected person to a healthy person. Communicable disease, they spread through agents such as air, water, food, insect, etc. Non-communicable disease. They do not spread through agents. Communicable diseases. They are caused by pathogens, etc. They are caused by pathogens. Example, chickenpox. Non-communicable disease. They are not caused by any pathogens. Example, arthritis. With diagram only depict the common methods of transmission of disease. இந்த டயக்ராம் நம்ம டெக்ஸ்ட் புக்லேயே இருக்குது. Associate the following diseases or infections with their causative agent. Chickenpox, sleeping sickness, acne. Chickenpox, virus, varicella zoster. Sleeping sickness, trypanosoma gabion. Acne, Staphylococcus, a bacterium. இதோட இந்த வீடியோ முடிஞ்சது. இதே மாதிரி நிறைய வீடியோ பார்க்கணுன்னா நீங்கள் டைம் டு ஸ்டடிக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள்.